Hi everyone, it's your instructor again, and I'm here with some tips on how to complete your sections 1 and 2 of the annual report project. Now, these sections are probably some of the most challenging in a way because it's the first part of the project and you don't quite know what to expect from your instructor. Well, I'm here to tell you that we're trying to make this as easy as possible. So what you can do if you need some help, besides pulling up the web page that details all the instructions on the annual report project, if that seems like information overload, start at the rubric in the assignment in D2L. So that rubric shows you the things that I'm going to be grading as I go through and look at your sections. So make sure that you're hitting everything on that rubric, that everything that we're asking for specifically is there. All of these things in sections 1 and 2 should be found within your company's 10K. So that's going to be the company name, the codes, the internet address. It should all be on the first couple of pages of your company's 10K. One part of this section that trips up a lot of students is we're asking for a SWOT analysis. That's the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And I see people try to go Googling for some ideas in this section, and you don't really need to do that. So all we're asking in this section, I don't need you to have the official right answers. I just want you to think about what the strengths of your company are, what things might be weaknesses for them, what are the opportunities they can improve on, and what are the threats to this company. That doesn't have to be something complicated that you find from Bloomberg or Yahoo Finance. It can be just an idea that you have in your head. Now, defend your idea, make sure that you have something to back it up, but it doesn't have to be an official right answer from somewhere. And I might have some ideas for you when I'm reviewing and giving you feedback. So don't get stressed out about this part, and don't feel like this is some sort of trick question. It's supposed to be hard. If you are having trouble thinking of what could be strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for your company, there's a section within your 10K that's management's discussion and analysis. And in that discussion, management often has to acknowledge some of these things, what they're doing well, what they consider that they need to improve on, what opportunities they see for the company coming up, and what things could be threatening to the company. So just do a little reading in your 10K. Do a little imagination time and think about your company and what could be going on with them. And don't stress out about it. It's going to be okay.